So the stage seems to be set for summoning former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy before the special investigation team that is investigating into the AP liquor case. The 305-page charge sheet, that's a preliminary document we are told, that was filed on Saturday, has his name in multiple places, and the suggestion is that he had received a pecuniary benefit. I must point out that he has not been added as an accused yet in this particular case. Things started heating up even more after the arrest of the YSRCP MP from Rajampet, Mr. PV Midun Reddy, who has been accused number 4, named as accused number 4 in this case. And yes, there are about 12 people who have been arrested, and the allegation seems to be that there was some kind of a syndicate that was formed in 2019 when YSRCP came to power, that they had had a meeting at the Park Hyatt here where distillery owners and others were called, and that they had the distilleries had been threatened, owners had been threatened to agree to a system where the order for supply would be done manually, and there will be a predetermined indent, and based on the prices that are put in the OFS, there would be a commission of up to 12% that is paid. Actually, that went up to 20%, and the allegation is that as much as 50 to 60 crore rupees was being collected as kickback or commission every single month, and the SIT has estimated that 3,200, and in some places the figure has been mentioned as 3,500 crore rupees is the loss to the exchequer. Allegation that is being made is that whether it is Mithun Reddy, Vijay Sai Reddy, or you have other people like the first accused in this particular case, KC Reddy Rajshekhar Reddy, who was IT advisor to Jagan Mohan Reddy, all of them accused in this particular case, and Jagan Mohan Reddy has reacted very strongly to this, saying that he believes that all this is politically motivated. He has called the arrest of Mithun Reddy as illegitimate, and he says that in fact the Chandrababu Naidu was out on bail in a liquor case that had been filed when Jagan Mohan Reddy was the Chief Minister, and he says it is a kind of a political revenge that is being done by the present regime.